Death Stranding 1.
Yeah. Okay.
Normal lang.
Change text size. Ano yan? Ayun o.
Ay, yung dagat.
Alimango.
Ano kaya?
Crab siguro.
Parang cinema talaga yung mga... Parang movie.
Ay, ano to? Yung opening.
Opening Kojima Production. Bangis.
Hindi yung mismong game.
Akala ko.
Alam mo yung parang mga ano? Yung mga... Pag nanonood ka ng movie. Ba, Lord of the Rings. Yung mga parang mga production mo na pinapalabas.
Mahilig nga sila sa whale. Puro whale pinapakita.
Sa?
Dyan.
So, di ba in Japan mahilig sa whale?
A bang which gave birth to time and space. Once there was an explosion. A bang which set a planet spinning in that space. Once there was an explosion. A bang which gave rise to
the low roar.
And then came the next explosion.
Wow!
Sony. It's back. We're back. Oh?
Sa game ba yan?
The hell?
Damn.
One? Woo!
No, Manridos.
Parang...
Ano, di ba director's cut to?
Ito?
O yung regular lang?
Regular lang ako. Pero okay lang. Tapusin mo lang naman yung base game.
Kapiling ko naman siguro para sa story nila eh.
Paras lang.
Ang dinagdag siguro sa director's
mechanics
cut.
lang.
Mechanics.
Diyan? Be so serious. Ba't parang...
naman yan?
Parang inano kagad, pinalabas yung... Ay, nilabas kagad yung music na Don't Be So Serious. Diba dapat dun sa first game pa lang?
Yata. Baka magkaiba sila ng director's cut or tsaka ni ano. Ng normal.
Ganun?
Yata.
Hindi, ito rin.
Yun din yun.
Darren Jacobs. Parang movie, no? Lindsay Wagner.
Si Ridus.
Darren Dixon. Walking Dead.
Grabe naman yung detail ng buhok nan.
Ito yung mga ano. Mga panilin.
372cc.
372.
cc.
Ay, nahulog. Nahulog yung deer.
Parang ano no? Parang Doctor Strange. Pag napatakan ng ano, no, yung mga parang nagiging stone or mamamatay.
Stranger Doctor Stone.
Ah, Dr. Stone.
Kaya ano yung Timefall yan?
Ah,
Ah,
Weather.
boom.
Mas
Si,
fragile.
ano, si Fragile.
oh.
Ah,
Oh no.
No. Oh, great. Oh, fuck.
Na.
There you go.
First cargo. Ayun o. Carrying back. E.
okay. E.
Hmm.
Sa back.
Balikan
Okay.
nyo.
Damn. Ano?
Ano kaya yung scanner? Q.
Q.
Auto-detect scanner. Wala ba kayo nakalimutan?
Ah,
Ay, no, yung lost cargo. Oh.
wow. Sprint, ayun.
Kaso baka mataba kayo.
Sprint. Ship.
Ah, ship.
Just like any other game.
Hmm. Lagi naman ganun eh.
Ah,
Ship, sprint.
so kung gusto mong maglakad, control lang. Ay, hindi. Normal,
Di mo i-hold yung ship.
Ay, pag hindi nag-jump.
normal W.
Wait over there.
Cinematic ka agad ah.
Ganda na ng graphics kahit sabihin mo na 20, ano to? Kailan ba yun na to?
2018.
2018?
Or 2019. Siguro. Mas maganda guys sa mga video games ngayon.
Hmm.
Makukuha natin yun.
Yun din oh. Cool. So yung ulan acid.
Ano kaya yung ulan? Ano yung ulan na yun?
Timefall pangalan.
Timefall?
Pero acid siya. Or
Ba't ganun yung Ba't ganun yung effect sa... Ganun yung effect sa
Oh.
skin. Ayun, mapatakan ka lang ng isa eh. Bakit nagkakaroon nung
Yung
parang allergy, no?
oh,
Yun yung question.
yung mystery dun eh.
Hindi natin makikita talaga gaano kabangis yung mga story ni
yun na.
eh. Parang Jurassic Park eh, no? Oh.
Parang Predator.
Oh, parang Predator.
Si Predator, ano yun eh.
Naka
Camouflage.
camouflage.
Diyan na siya.
Tunog dinosaur eh.
Hindi, parang ano eh, tiger.
Parang tayo, ano,
Tiger.
boom. So, nadedetect niya kapag humihinga ka.
Hmm.
Para nararamdaman niya. Ano.
Hmm. Grabe nga naman yan.
Hmm.
Detailed.
Sila.
Oh.
Parang ghost.
Hmm. Yan. Ba't kaya sila nagkaganon na?
Ano daw yan, parang side effect. Symptoms ng ano. Ulan.
So far, so good. Prologue pa lang to.
I think
Mhm.
you're gone. What the hell? Didn't mean to grab you so hard.
So, ba't nagkakaroon sila ng mga marka ng
Had an allergy.
parang allergy?
So
Hmm.
you have dooms like me.
You got the
Don't-
extinction factor. I think you got me beat.
What's your level? You can see them, right?
No, but I can sense them.
I will too then.
What are you doing?
Trying to stay dry. Same as you. Time falls that up.
Timefall. Yun nga, timefall.
Sabi ko lang ganina.
My name is Fragile.
Fragile.
Yeah, I've heard of you.
That right? Sam Porter Bridges. The man who delivers.
Manudi. Shopee.
Weird.
You want it?
Parang krill yun, Ben. Kaya yun pinatid natin. Krill yun.
Quick to bed
Grill.
today keeps
Ah?
Kahit sa ano,
Grill.
happy feet.
Krill.
Hmm.
I'm one of the Krillion. Grabe yung
Damn.
ano nung face ano yun.
Wanna come work for me? Must be tough out here on the rain.
Yeah, I thought Fragile Express had plenty of beer.
Plenty of traders. Not much left of us now, save for a few in his folks. And on top of that, not much left of me either.
Ah, yun yung ano nasunog,
Can't
no?
help you with that.
Kata.
Sa ano, director's cut.
Director's cut.
Deliveries. That's all.
Make deliveries.
Siguro spoilers yun, no?
Hmm.
Yun siguro spoilers.
Hindi naman.
Headed into town.
Payong eh.
Watch yourself. Those things never stay gone for long.
Mhm. Si Pabok niya.
The
Kamukha
time
niya si-
falls whatever it touches.
Kamukha niya si Ricky Hatton dun sa
Can't
picture.
wash everything away. The past just
Ay,
began.
ano,
Yung
Patay.
oh,
I'll see you around. Some Puerto Rican.
Parang ano siya eh, no? Nasa Matrix.
Hmm.
Deliver and deliver.
Deliver one or more consignments of smart drugs. Woo! Talaga yung the best dyan eh.
Cool.
Kaso,
Baka kayo.
baba.
Ayun, bababa.
Tingin yung landscape.
Q. Bang.
Oh, dudulas pala siya.
Paano nga ulit umano? Yung mag hold.
Ah, right click, left click.
Dalawa. Hold mo yung dalawa. Ayun, no, hold mo lang yung dalawa. So, ano ka na?
Baka yung mga patok.
Ano ka na?
Baka pala tatawid ka dyan.
Ah.
Ay, baka malalim
Yung-
na.
Kaya.
Kaya spark drugs. Carrington.
Wow. Team ni ano to eh.
Eh?
Ni Kojima. Yung umalis siya sa Konami.
Gumawa niyan.
Sumama sa kanya yung ibang ano niya, yung core team niya.
Ah,
Dito ba tayo?
Netherlands City.
Dito tayo, no, JD? Tama ba?
dyan yan.
Ayun, ayun, no.
Dito?
Sa likod nyo.
Eto?
Tapos cargo.
Kukunin ko yung mga lost cargo muna.
Tapos babalik nyo po yun sa, ano, sa Central Dot City.
Okay. Alright. Tapos balik.
Tsaka na dyan.
Dito?
Pagod. Pagod siya. Ay, hindi.
Parang mas appreciate mo sa ano, no? Sa 2K monitor.
Ah,
2K monitor, mas appreciate mo yung ano. Death Stranding.
kapag
O dahil mas maliit lang yung monitor, focus ka, no?
Autotech.
Oo.
Kung malalim to.
ay, boy dyan.
Kaya nga.
Boy dyan. Balik ka.
Ayun, no.
Dito tayo, no?
Ay, dyan ba?
Ay, hindi.
Oh,
Oh! Tatawid ka dito. Dito kaya.
Dyan.
ingat lang sa Zero.
Doon, namatay lang yung ano eh, no? Kumanta ng
Oh, lower.
Lord.
Singer ng lower.
Taga ano yun eh, Switzerland?
Switzerland ba siya?
Oo. Swiss.
Yan, sabihin ko.
Kaya.
Bolt na dun kagad.
Ha?
Takbo na dun kagad. Sa likod ka.
Dito?
Ay, di dyan.
Dito?
Oo, dyan.
F.
Make
Make delivery. Alright.
Good sa makakita.
First delivery. Skip na natin.
Porter grade 5 kagad.
Ako lang naman yun eh. Cinematic na naman.
Igor, Bridges Corpse Disposal. Sent Porter, I presume? Right. Not the touchy-feely type. Thought you said you had some bad
Touchy-feely.
Bridges Corpse Disposal. What happened? Look, gotta get a move on. I'll explain as we go. Come on.
Biggest mistake. Yeah,
We're gonna take a look. He's got a date with the incinerator.
How long since he flatlined?
I don't know the exact TOD, but I'd say it's been upwards of 40 hours.
He was in quarantine.
Not sick. This is just suicide.
Jesus.
We're just lucky we found him at all. Got him on ice
Namatay.
ASAP. Who knows when he'll go black.
Where are you taking him?
Closest incinerators to the north.
This route's crawling with BTs. Sure you can't use another?
Wish I could, but there's no time.
Then just burn the poor bastard right here.
We can put all that Kyrillum in the air so close to town? Can't do it.
No respect.
Better that. Trying for the incinerator.
Hey, we can do this. We just need someone like you with dunes.
Well, he's already in the first stages of necrosis. If we don't hurry, this place is a crater.
So how about it? We count on you? When Bridges hereby
Ito yung unang nakita niya. Si...
Sam. Just Sam. And I can't spot BTs. Just sense.
That's why we came prepared.
Mga CDT. Corpse disposal
Bridge
team.
baby.
We'll be able to stay one step ahead of them.
Ay, bridge baby.
Eto. Si BB.
Ba't bridge baby tawag?
I feel that shit every time.
Well, we're plugging into the other side. It makes me too.
Roll out.
Ideya ko, Gemma.
Siya din pala yung producer and director.
Ideya?
Up, yun na.
The world was different when I was a kid. America, country, anybody can go anywhere they damn well please. No need
Okay,
for
cameraman.
couriers like yourself. Get highways, airplanes. Hell, you can even visit other countries. Hard to imagine now. Where you can see the Death Stranding poked us full of holes.
That's Stranding.
Walked us around all recognition. And if we were lucky enough to survive, worlds of the living and the dead all mixed together. That's when folks started pulling up in the cities. Couriers like yourself got put up on a pedestal. Son of a bitch. Rainbow!
Parang dami, itong dalawa na to, yung dami nilang alam eh, no?
How much further to the incinerator?
Parang
This guy's about to pop.
hindi pa alam ni Norman ano?
BTs.
Very good.
Hindi pa alam ni Norman Reedus yung ano eh. Ano yung nangyayari, no?
Yata.
Bridges. Teka. Saan pala sila pupunta?
Parang asipsuin daw nila ng katawan eh.
Ha?
Asipsuin daw yung katawan.
Ah, nirescue nila yung katawan.
Kaya ano, patay na daw ito eh.
Ah, patay na.
May gagawin daw kasi dito.
Engine stalled.
That's what's got us right where they want us. Get us out of here.
BT?
Sam, can you see anything?
Ha?
Yung beta. Walang music.
Wala talaga.
Baka ganyan na meron yan.
This BB must be Buster or something.
Tingnan natin mamaya.
Oh,
Oh!
control camera.
What? Alimang, ang dami. Parang pag may patay, kinukuha ng BT, no? Parang hinihikop.
Yata. Oo. Ayun o.
So yun, nagiging
Ayun, no?
ganyan yun.
Parang nagiging gold eh, no?
Ganyan nga sila pag ano eh, mamatay.
Ah, weird.
Chiralium. Ba tawag dun?
Oh.
They're here.
Yun yung effects daw ng ano yata eh, time fall.
Higing ano?
Hmm.
Matanda.
Ganyan ang time fall talaga. Siguro. Yan yung ginagawa niya.
Ah, ba't tinawag na time fall?
Sakit to. Ito mo yung dugo.
Wala na. Kaya na.
Ay, di yung ano yun. Buhay pa siya. Naipit lang yung paa niya. Ay, pa yung mga legs. Wait, oh.
Wow!
Ayun, no?
What the hell?
Warning sign nga yun eh. Yun na yung ano. Pakita niyo. Colossal BT ba yun?
Pwedeng gawin movie talaga to, no?
Pwede. Live action. Very use lang nila yung mga actor nila eh.
Hindi sila mahirapan kumuha ng artista eh. Yan na yun eh. In real life, eh, sila naman talaga eh.
Sila naman talaga.
Kahit buhay, kahit kinukuha nila eh. Pero bakit niya pinatay?
Siguro para mag-end yung suffering niya.
Or ano, baka di nakunin yung soul niya.
Para hindi nakunin?
Ay, ito siya na oh. Mamaya. O, hindi papakita tayo mamaya.
Kulit ng baby.
Hindi, kinukuha lahat eh. Patay o buhay eh.
Magkuhan na to. Binabaril niya.
Oh no. Putik yan. Akala ko ano. Pinatay niya si Rick.
Yun nga yung gagawin niya sa ano eh. Papamatay niya din siya. Ayun o. Pita niya yung sarili niya. Saksak niya yung sarili niya. Ano siya? Colossal BT. Laki na to.
Putik. Niya sa kanya.
Sana siya. Sa beach. Ay, si baby.
Oh. Baka yung mata niya naging black. Oh. What the hell? Kaya pala siya hinahanap. Kasi part din siya ng ano. Siya may ano sa chan.
Si baby.
Hmm.
Half ano kasi niya. Half BT, half human daw.
Epic ng ano eh.
Mga ano to yung mga sa langit. 5 elders. So, peace.
May meaning yun, ba't ang daming patay na sea creatures? Whale,
Standing.
Yung ano eh. Yung intro ba yun?
hmm,
UI, ano? Ay, main menu pala.
hmm. Memory? Memory, no?
Alaala niya.
Mhm.
Ano yan?
Ba't halos yun na Mindside, hindi magawa yung ganito eh.
Sila? Sino?
Mindside. Ipinalo natin.
Yung mga failure,
Parang ano,
fail
GTA.
games na ano.
Parang GTA.
Okay, yung mga ex-Rockstar employee. Ano siya, oh.
Wow.
Void out.
Oo. Dead bodies.
May message tong
Ay, no.
natin, no?
Creation.
Sa baba.
No. Sam is to repatriate, meaning that he can return to life from the place once the Seam killed. The Seam followed the strand to guide Sam's soul to his body, bring him back. So, di pala to, ano, parang void out. Pangalan. It's the Seam. Okay. Oo. Tignan, ang daming patay.
People?
Oh. Shit. The strand.
Ayun yung strand.
Okay,
Stranding.
para bumalik.
Death Strand.
May scanner?
Death Strand.
Wala mo
Stranding. What
Oh.
the hell?
Baby.
What? Oh.
Kasi ano?
Sino to?
BB.
Si Mad Stick Nicholson.
Ay, yung ano pala. Dati ni BB.
Sino nga to sa character niya?
Si ano, Hannibal.
Ah,
Si ano?
Totoong name niya?
Ay, hindi. Si Mad Nicholson po. Yung
Ito nga.
pangalan niya.
Totoong pangalan niya.
Mga roles na pinili niya is ano, Hannibal. Tsaka sa Fantastic Beasts. Sa Grindelwald. Oh. Mga ano.
What?
Iiyak ulit eh, no?
Symptoms daw yun eh. Ng ano.
Symptoms.
Once there was an explosion. A
Putik
thing
yan.
gave rise to life as we know it.
So ito yung situkoy niyang boot.
And then came the next explosion.
So may explosion pa.
An explosion
That will be our last.
Yan. Stand.
Siya yan? Kasi para nanonood ng movie lang. May gumagawa na ba ganun dati? Parang wala eh, no? Gameplay. Yung ganito. Para yung nagpipiknik.
Hindi ko alam.
Parang wala akong nakita eh, no? First time ganito eh, no?
Dapat pala, nilive
Episode
natin.
1.
No? Nilive natin.
Next time.
Oh, you're awake. So, how does it feel to be back in the world of the living? Don't worry. I'm a doctor. Well, a coroner.
Up.
Originally.
Si ano to eh?
Guillermo del Toro.
Yung nga,
Del Toro.
Ano
Damn.
ng
Call me Dead Man.
cabinets. of
I'm well
studios.
acquainted with the dead.
Lupit naman.
Not like you, of
Lupit
course.
may budget si
Contrary to
Kojima.
the name, I've never actually died.
Para pagganapin mo siya
I would advise against that.
sa game.
I'm no expert, but I can assure you it's for your own protection. See?
Ibang klase yung
So I'm a prisoner.
pwede doon sa mga
influence niya
These
eh.
aren't handcuffs. They're cutting-edge devices that keep us all connected.
yung mga
Us? Oh, us.
Yup. Bridges. Humanity's best hope for the future. Or avoiding extinction, if you prefer.
Right. Where am I? What time is it?
Watch me. Try pressing it against your skin, like this. Relax. That just means your body's got a good connection to the cufflink. Look, look.
Parang prisoner.
The cuffs will watch over you 24 hours a day. That is to say, we will. We're here to help.
What the hell? 2 days.
During that time, we took the liberty of collecting fluid samples from you. You're a repatriate. That makes you very special.
What happened to the CD guys?
CD guys.
Central Knot was obliterated
Corp
in the
disposal.
annihilation. Game over, man. Place is a crater.
May
dahil sa ulo.
The only ones to
sa
get it
ulo.
continue were you, for obvious reasons, and your broken bridge baby.
Is it all right?
Yeah.
si Sam
It's been marked for
may
disposal.
sponsor pa ng ano eh.
Didn't work anymore. Why keep it?
Energy drink. Monster.
We lost
Monster yun, di ba?
everyone. Not just
Si
corpse
May energy
disposal.
drink na Monster.
My team,
saan?
HQ,
Ganyan.
Sa
all of
Oregon.
Rutherford, every soul in Central Knot City.
Kaya ni Geto. Jujutsu Kaisen.
We're at our base in Capital Knot City now. Or should I say, our new headquarters. Sudbury seemed the logical choice. But our implementation team has been decimated. And there's only so much they can do in 2 days.
Monster eh, no?
Things here
May
are a
budget
mess.
tong game na to.
Fortunately, the director and his support team
Meron pa rin siyang
were
ano
out of
talaga.
town at the time,
May DNA
so the
pa rin
chain of
talaga ng
command
Metal Gear.
remains intact.
Siyempre, may Kojima yun.
I hate to do this so soon, but I have a job for you.
Masterpiece niya yun eh.
This stencil is from when you
Pero
repatriated.
sabi niya ron sa latest tweet niya ata ano eh. Sana may
what's the other
gumawa
mark from?
ng Death Stranding
Clingy
link.
woman in a cave.
Kasi baka hindi niya na alam kung itutuloy niya yung kung magkakaroon ng Death Stranding.
I
Pero
see.
sana may gumawa daw.
Aphenphosmphobia.
Ganun.
No wonder you were out there alone, where no one could touch you.
50 plus na si ano eh, Kojima.
I'll try to be more careful, Sam.
Pero mukha pa rin
So,
siyang 30 years old.
The job is an urgent
Talaga may
delivery.
mga Japanese, mga Asian. Ganun.
I need you to bring the president some morphine.
Kaya hindi daw niya
president?
kinuha dito yung
America's
mga Japanese people
You
or
talking
Asian.
about the mayor of Central
Masyado raw
Knot?
maganda. Parang
No,
fake.
no, not the mayor. America lives on,
Fake,
Sam.
parang fake yung magiging
The
itsura niya.
president
Sa
is in the final
Nilagay niya raw sa
stages
game.
of cancer,
Sifu talaga.
in a
Asian.
critical condition.
Kaya ang kinuha
There's
niya,
still time.
Why me?
American or European.
Look, Sam. Do as I ask, and I promise it will all make sense.
Why don't you do it?
Because I'm not really here.
Boom! Wala nga. Pero nasan sila?
Apologies. This is just a chirogram.
Ano daw?
Telegram.
And here, come
Cairo?
the tears.
Cairo.
Allergic reaction to the chiral transmission.
Cairo. Chirograph.
I'm actually over in the isolation
Oh,
ward
hi.
in the big triangle building.
Thomas ka yan.
Here is the morphine.
Pero ibig sabihin parang, ano siya, parang hologram
Bridges
lang.
hereby enters into a contract with Sam Porter.
Parang hologram pero nasa other places to si
truth.
yung
The
doktor.
truth, Sam, is that America's last president wants to see you in person.
America's
Are you
last
really
president.
about to say no?
Ang lalim nung ano eh, nung game eh.
Very good. I'll see you in the isolation ward.
Malalaman yan kung sino yung Game of the Year ng ano, this year, no? Kailan kaya yun?
December.
Sa December.
Every December daw.
Every December.
Stunning 2.
Bago mag New Year. Bago November.
Let's go.
Beginning scan. Scanning Bridges ID. Verifying
Tayo.
ID. Clear. All clear.
F.
Welcome, Sam Porter Bridges. Access to delivery terminal denied.
Oh, boy.
Ayun na,
Bakit?
President's morphine.
Delivery
Carry on.
order for Sam Porter Bridges. Request
Dili-
transport of morphine to isolation ward for immediate administration to the president.
Basta tayo dito.
Scan. Have a pleasant journey.
Wala pa bang motor dito? Lakad to the mode tayo na to.
Check the map on your cufflinks if you're lost, Sam.
Okay.
Hindi natin makita yung mata ni Deadman eh. Sa PS5 version. Black na black yung mata talaga.
Okay. Pag kinilig ko to,
Middle click.
middle click.
Ayan.
Okay.
Saan na tayo?
Kaso, Q? Nasaan na yung mark natin?
Click.
Middle click ulit.
Yata.
F. Tab. Custom A. Flat daraw. Ayun, may A na.
Labas ka dyan. Kanan. Kanan.
M.
R.
R. E.
Sam, if you want to confirm you're headed the
Ayan na.
right way,
Ayun na.
check your compass.
Ah,
It'll never
compass.
steer you wrong. Provided you have a destination, that is.
Nasaan boss?
G.
G. Alright. Pala eh. Ayun. So G lang. If you're using keyboard, press G to leave the compass. Bunda.
Central wasn't just home to Bridges HQ. It was also the seat of the Reconstructionist movement. If the president hadn't required special treatment, she would have never left. And if she had, we wouldn't have either.
President ng ano?
Amerika.
Yata.
So ito yung Amerika. Yung current situation ng Amerika ngayon.
Or ano? President siya ng Nat City. Siguro.
Di mo alam ba't ano ni Kojima yung ano eh. Paano niya na-plot yung ganung story. Bakit Amerika? Parang may message eh.
Kung ano. Western game ginagawa niya.
Parang yung story regarding sa about Western. Parang di ko alam kung may politics na ano siya. May politics na sinasabi or
Like I said, our vital signs are all trending the same way.
No chance of a recovery then?
None that I can see. No.
We should start making preparations.
Sam. It's me, Deadman.
Talagang totoo.
Sorry, my mistake.
totoo na to. Okay.
I'm afraid the president's condition has deteriorated.
Deteriorated.
Thank you. This will help to ease the pain. And allow her to speak with you in these final moments.
Her?
The first and last female president of the United States. Surely you remember her. She raised you? You're not exactly dressed for a reunion. Take that off before you come inside.
Ulit ng mas eh.
What's it been, Sam? 10 years? Look at us. A bunch of deathless freaks meeting like this.
Deathless
Yeah,
freaks.
well, good to see you two. President's waiting. It's your mother, Bridget.
Bridget.
She's a bit out of it, but I know she'll recognize you.
Nanay niya pala presidente.
Madam President, we've brought Sam. We'll leave you two alone.
Sam, I knew you'd come back. Are you doing all right?
Oo.
Mukha niya ngayon nasa beach eh.
Yeah.
Yung kanina, yung medyo bata pa.
Naka-red.
Naka-red. So ito yung kanina memory lang yun. Ito yung reality, tumanda na.
Amelie.
So,
Amelie.
You remember Amelie went
Amelie?
west.
Ayun
Took
yun.
her 3 years to cross.
Yung
She's
naka-red.
trying to rebuild the
so yun si Amelie.
Still going on about that, huh?
Pinapahanap
You're the one I wanted to send, Sam. Time's running out. Help Amelie. She needs you.
Pumunta ng West.
Together, you
Ganda ng
you can help
lighting.
us
Pala,
reconnect.
may mga particles eh, no? Alikabok.
You can make America whole.
You can make America whole.
Sam, if we don't all come together again,
Ngayon, nagkakagulo
humanity
sila.
will not survive.
Humanity will not survive.
We don't need a country. Not anymore.
We do. Alone, we have no future.
No, America's finished.
Kaya sabi,
Bridget, you're the president
some,
of Jack's
somewhat,
Sam, listen to me.
no? Oh. predict na ni Kojima yung ano ng America 20 ano pa lang no 2018. Tsaka sa Metal Gear ano eh ang politics na ang dami niyang alam no.
Hindi madami daw na pre-predict din sa Metal Gear.
Kaya nga eh yung mga
So you are willing to help me?
Ngayon nabasa akong comment sa yung mga
No,
kaya small.
may
parang na-predict daw ni MGS2 mga nangyayari to sa
grabe.
Hindi ko alam kung what, pero may relations sa game niya.
Parang yung research niya sa or baka may nagsasabi ano siya parang Intel na
I'll be waiting for you on the beach.
I'll be waiting for you on the beach. Namatay.
Madam President!
Matay, no?
Oh, no.
I'll be waiting you on the beach.
Doctor, we need your help.
All hands on deck here. Jason V5, give me 150 cc's. She's not responding.
See?
This is dropping.
Mama pangalan niya.
God.
Mama.
We're losing her.
Pati nga ito palit American connected din no sa American Story. Tingnan mo naman pati yung ano detailed, no? Stranding. So ito yung stranding. May strand. Parang ano ni Eren yun ah. Ano yung binigay kay ano? Hindi binigay ni sino yung Queen sa Attack on Titan?
Storya.
Si Storya yung binigay sa kanila. Di ba ganun na yung itsura?
Necklace.
Yung necklace. Parang ganun eh.
Yung nagpa-activate na nga yung mantikan na.
Yung parang sinasabi nila yun daw yung
word gets out. Bridges is finished.
Parang nakaganon na
what happened here does not leave this room. Do you understand?
Yes, Director. But there's still the matter of the body. Without corpse disposal.
We've got that covered.
Bert, wow.
Sam, before she died, the president made a contract with you.
What are you talking about?
What?
As a member of Bridges, you're gonna work with the rest of us to rebuild America.
You think you can recruit me? Like she tried to?
She succeeded. Look at your wrist. If that's not symbolic, I don't know what is.
Director, the cancer spread throughout her entire body. Harvesting organs is out of the question, and there is no need for an autopsy. Her body needs to be cremated before she necrotizes.
And if we don't, this place will turn into another crater.
What do you want me to do?
We don't have any porters right now. And the CD team you went into the field with are dead. But the president's body has to be burned.
The road from Capital Knot City to the incinerator was compromised in the void out. Now, the only way there is on foot, through the mountains. But the chiral density there is off the chart. It's gotta be BTs.
This job has requirements. Tombs. Repatriate.
So me. Why?
Sam, you're already on the clock.
Now get it done, Sam Porter Bridges.
Bilis lang pala eh, no? Dito na tayo. Daming special cutscene.
Sa una.
Can I have a moment? President Strand believed in American Reconstructionism. She worked tirelessly to bring the nation together again. And without her, there would be no bridges. She deserves a funeral with full honors. But we can't give her that. If she dies, America dies.
Without her, bridges will cease to be.
Listen. Her cremation must be carried out with the utmost secrecy.
Even if we pull it off, what then? Who's gonna take her place? Face it, America's history.
Sam, America isn't dead yet.
He just said that it dies if Bridget dies.
She may be lost to us, but we still have an America worthy of the presidency.
Sorry, what?
Let's not get into it now. What matters is that we're going to finish your mother's work and rebuild America as she intended. That's the reason Bridges exists. So take the first step, Sam, and deliver the president's body to the incinerator.
If we don't all stay together again, humanity will not survive. You're the one I wanted to send, Sam.
So yung group na Bridges based dun sa parang last name niya.
I love you, Sam.
Bridges siya, di ba?
I'll be waiting for you on the beach.
Okay, beach.
Kanina, yung pinakita.
Ay, ba yun?
Parang memory niya.
The facilities to the southwest. Remember that you'll be passing through BT territory.
We built the incinerator way up in the mountains so that the chiral matter in the smoke wouldn't reach the city. It won't be easy carrying a body up there.
Thanks, Jen.
We'll be monitoring you around the clock. If anything comes up, we'll offer you support via the cufflinks.
Ilang kilo yung buwat mo, lalakarin mo lang.
Pang superhuman attacks.
Oh,
Sam, this is Die Hard.
labang motor.
Men explained how to use the cuffs, right?
Cuffs.
Used them to check the location of the incinerator.
Wala bang binigay na bagong item? Saan tayo? Dito?
Doon, incinerator.
Saan? Ah, dito.
Lakas tayo.
Hindi na kailangan mark yan.
Ah, okay.
Yan ang G. Yan.
Pwede na ito ako.
Sam, I don't think I need to remind you, but every minute counts when transporting corpses for disposal. 48 hours following cardiac arrest, they go that road and become a fresh BT to make our lives hell.
Bago to ah.
So nagiging sila. Wala na kasi tayo ano.
Sa main road.
Nagiging PT pala sila.
Kapag?
40 hours.
Ah, okay.
Yung mga patay na tao?
Ah, okay. Kaya pala.
Magiging binito yung nanay niya.
Ah, pagka hindi na dispose ng maayos.
Ah, ganyan na. Kaya pala siya nagpapakamatay. Hindi siya nagpapakain dun sa giant colossal na yan. Kapag nagpakamatay, pag nagpapakain dun sa giant colossal, hindi siya. Hindi. Ay, hindi. Diba ba? Yung nangyari sa
President Bridget Strand was the symbol of American Reconstructionism. Even with the country shattered and its people scattered to the four winds, she never stopped believing they could be reunited. People held on to their hope that America would rise again because they believed in her. We believe that this country can be rebuilt. America lives on, together with Bridget's undying spirit.
Layo naman ito. Punta natin yun.
Kaya kayo tumakbo.
Sige, tumatakbo na nga ako eh.
Kaya nga, di kayo maubos sa stamina.
Kaya nga, ito, naka-ship na ako eh.
Yun talaga yun?
Sa inyo ano, takbo kayo. Straight lang, pero ano. Yan, straight lang.
Bigyan din pala eh.
Huwag kayong alam, you still hard.
Have a pleasant journey.
Huwag ka magle-left.
Isa nyo. Shift.
Ito nga, shift. Okay. Ingat. Ingat ka talaga. Ingat ka talaga. Wow. Pwede rito? Ha? Potion. Pero online na tayo, di ba? Kasi hindi naman tayo PS eh.
Baka online na.
Baka online to.
Special defense.
Okay, may agdaanan. Hindi ka matutong mapag sa stream ka. Ayan. Ito pwede mong takbuhin. Yun.
Just a bit further now.
Q. F.
Yeah, hindi nga natin ginagawa yun sa
PS.
PS5.
Sino Igor?
Namatay.
Teka. Rami. Wala eh. Oh!
Laps naman na ito.
Lupit din ng P6 ah. Oh. Like natin si Igor. Yun.
So that's the place.
May mga video na. Ayun, one.
Not yet Cottonmouth.
Use 3. Number 3. Ano daw yan?
It's 38.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mga ganun pa siya eh, no? Yeah. Dito na pa tayo sa loob.
Yan, dyan lang magkakaroon ng
Hindi ko na matandaan to ah.
Come on.
Ah, cremation ano? Place.
Incinerator.
Cremate. Sa cremate na.
Dito na yan, di ba? Si BT.
Oh, saan?
Hindi, yung nakahabol sa'yo. May rainbow.
Chiralium density in the area is climbing rapidly. Heavy timefall is
Kapag may rainbow, di ba? Sabihin, meron ng BT. Kapag may timefall.
Other cargo while you're there.
What's this?
BB-28. It's the unit Igor was assigned. It was hooked up to you when we found you in the crater.
Basta kapag may baby, tawag BB.
Because it's flagged for disposal. Central Knots
may mga numbers. So ito, BB-28 siya.
It's all in Igor's logs.
But it's still alive.
It can't be repaired, and it can't survive outside the pod. Pity it if you want, but the decision has been made. It has to go. The director approved the order.
So, sabihin, susunugin niya din yan?
Sana. Susunugin niya.
Ha? Wow. Bumabakat eh.
Sam, do you copy? Damn it, must have lost you in the blackout. Sam, what's your status? Chiralium density is still increasing.
Ano?
My status is fucked. There's tons of them.
Must be from the bodies we couldn't get up to the incinerator in time. Comes with the territory, I'm afraid.
Can you sit out the rain?
No. They're closing in on my position. I have to move before they realize I'm in here.
Sam, if one of those things eats you, it'll trigger a void out.
Tsaka dala-dala niya yung baby.
But the surrounding area will still be a crater.
Sabi nito ni Deadman. Binibigyan siya ng choice ni Deadman eh. Kung sunugin to o hindi. Baby.
Start, shit. Maybe you are defective.
Yan na.
That's it. Do your thing.
Uh-oh.
Keep low. And move cautiously.
Teka, paano yung ano?
Crouch. Tuwak. Papakita po siguro.
Al.
Ito, dito siya. Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa. What the heck? Yang creepy. Wow. Ano? Nakaka-survive dito. Dahil gagawin ko.
For stamina, tablet na What? Canteen? Ayun ang energy thing.
Ako bababa. Ayun. Wow. Tikid.
Easy now.
Sani ako masyado sa ano.
Lightning ray. Sending multiple lightning. Distribution.
Yung meron ano, ba't hindi natin ito ginagamit?
Verifying ID. Clear. All welcome to Capital
Tagal pa.
Knot City. Proceed to distribution center.
Sam, come back to the distribution center. Check
Ito
the
yung
location on your
distribution
compass.
center. Ah,
Sa baba.
ito yung place na to. Episode 1. Episode 1 pa lang to ah.
Hanggang saan ba to?
Yung
hanggang ilang episode.
Either of you made it back. When someone with dooms hooks up to a BB, your feelings and memories
Yung total niya.
back, like with the
14.
speaker. It amplifies fears and stress, and runs the risk of taking you to a place from which you will not return. I'm sorry, but this BB has been pushed beyond its limits.
Disposal is
Disposal
the
is
only
the only
option. Disposal?
Sam, get cleaned up and come to the president's office.
Alas itong BB.
We need to talk.
Ganun nangyari. So wala na to.
Yata.
Yung BB na to patay na.
Ay, buhay pa.
Ah.
Pero hindi siya makakasurvive kung wala siya dyan. Mamamatay yata siya kapag wala na siya dyan.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam kung forever baby na lang siya.
Baka anak niyo talaga to. Anak niyo ba talaga yan?
Yata.
I'll always be with you.
See the sunset, the day is ending. Let that yawn out. There's no pretend.
May heart.
May heart pa eh, no?
Dumi na ni bro.
Mag-iisang oras na yan. Bilis, no?
2 hours na yata yung isa.
Let's go.